Here we are on the seventh Wednesday night session of the season. I finished the last session with a good series, although I missed a few spares that I definitely should have made. I need to do a better job of making single pin spares in order to increase that goal percentage by a few points. Making single pin spares more consistently will also increase my non-split spare percentage. So I feel optimistic that I can still achieve almost all of my end of season goals by the end of the first quarter. Game 1 felt pretty good. I feel like I was lucky in the second frame by not leaving a split, but I also feel like I was unlucky a couple of other times. A pin slowly rolled to knock down the 6th pin in the 6th frame, leaving me with a split. Then I crushed the pocket in the 7th frame and left a stone 8 pin. So overall, I feel like the good and bad luck in Game 1 kind of evened itself out. Most importantly, I made all of my spares, and I was able to string together sets of consecutive strikes. Game 2 felt pretty good as well. I pulled the ball a little to the left in both the second and sixth frames, which were the only 2 frames in which I didn't strike. It's hard not to feel good after a start like I've had these first 2 games. I'm averaging 251 so far. At this point, I'm hoping that I can just hold it together and not let the wheels fall off in Game 3. If I'm able to keep it together, I should finish with a pretty good overall series. I have mixed feelings about Game 3. On one hand, I was really hoping for a better score so that I could beat my season-high series. On the other hand, I'm just glad that I was able to hold it together and avoid having a train wreck of a game. Overall, I'm very pleased with my performance. This is the first time this season that I've bowled an entire series with no open frames. I've also reached all but one of my end-of-season goals. For anyone that has made it this far into the video, I appreciate you watching.